So with Halloween just 4 days away, we are taking you to one of the most haunted food spots in town.
And so in this morning's Neighborhood Eats, Lexi Hazlett is going to check out a tavern with scary good food.
This downtown building is totally cool.
This week on Neighborhood Eats, I'm inside the Esquire Tavern. I'm trying food from their scratch-made kitchen, but I also hear that they're a little bit haunted.
It's been a staple here in downtown San Antonio for 89 years, since 1933, December 5th. Day after Prohibition is when we opened. Our downstairs speakeasy, where we are now, it's been open about 6-7 years. Quite a different vibe than upstairs.
You can enjoy the long table bar, but downstairs, where I spoke to Michael, can be a bit chilling.
Any paranormal activity or a presence, it would be down here. The staff, if they see anything or feel anything, whether they hear a voice or their name or a chill or just a creepy vibe, so to speak.
Those who study the paranormal say these hallway mirrors parallel another world. But also out of this world, these great eats.
Classic Esquire Tavern burger. Brioche bun, a little bit of an aioli. We cook it on the grill depending on what your perfection you like. Medium rare, lettuce, tomatoes, and also pickles too. A little bit of onion, a white cheddar on top as well.
They tell me this is their #1 seller. I see why.
And a Texas-style plate.
The brisket melts, smoked in-house, about 15 hours, chop it up. And then we do 2 Texas toasts with a little bit of a sweet chili sauce, white cheddar.
I also tried the deviled eggs and the apple pie.
We want to represent something that's also showcasing what San Antonio and Texas with that little Mexicana style flavor that goes with it too as well, but in a tavern look.
A spirited place to immerse yourself into a year-round Halloween vibe.
We got a fantastic view of the river. We got a lot of character in the building, so yeah, a little bit of everything for everybody.
I'm Lexi Hazlett for a spooky Neighborhood Eats.
So the Esquire Tavern is on the Riverwalk at the Canopy by Hilton Hotel. It's open Sunday through Saturday for lunch, dinner, and late night snacks. I wonder, do they deliver brisket in the morning?
I hope so.
That's a good
I'd
idea.
eat brisket right now, any time of day. So don't forget to send Lexi your recommendations. You can email them to eats@kens5.com, or you can always send her a message on social media. And she's been taking a lot of your suggestions,
Yeah.
so we take them seriously. Bring them on.
Yeah.